Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the usefulness of baking soda in vegetable growing. Baking soda is not just a kitchen staple, but it can also be a fantastic addition to your gardening arsenal. Firstly, let's discuss how baking soda works as a natural fertilizer. It contains nitrogen, which is an essential nutrient for most plants. When plants are deficient in nitrogen, they can suffer from stunted growth, yellow leaves, and reduced production. Using baking soda as a natural fertilizer helps to correct this issue by providing your plants with the necessary nitrogen they need to thrive. Another benefit of using baking soda in your vegetable garden is its ability to control pests and diseases. Baking soda has a strong chemical effect on some insects and diseases, which can make it an effective natural treatment. To use baking soda as a pest repellent, simply mix it with water and spray it onto your plants. This will deter insects from visiting your plants and can help prevent the spread of diseases. Baking soda is also great for improving the soil in your garden. It has a high pH level, which can make the soil acidic and nutrient deficient. By adding baking soda to your soil, you can raise its pH and improve the overall quality of the soil. In conclusion, using baking soda as a fertilizer, pest repellent, and soil improving agent can greatly enhance your vegetable growing experience. Just remember to use it in moderation and mix it with water before applying it to your plants. Dear friends, share this content with your friends on social networks. Thank you for that.